We're ready.
These are going to be a surprise when we get to open.
Okay. Hopefully it's snacks.
Imagine that, just full of cookies.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a green one.
I thought it was going to be red.
Red?
Yeah.
They don't do a red one.
I don't know that. Does it look like a salesman?
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder. Where the hell's the sea post?
Is that a sea post? Surely not.
Oh, yeah.
Looks very small.
Oh, that's what she said.
Oh god.
This is all going in recycling. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Like, that's matte and then that bit's matte as well.
What if it was Julie?
It's cool, but then it's gloss on the inside, which I never really noticed before.
That's going to make it easier to clean. Yeah, really nice WTB saddle on this. With some stainless steel rails as well.
Woo!
I think it's just the sound. It was just the sound. It was that. So I've already fitted the hanger. I didn't realise it was going to come with this XOT type neck.
Nice.
So that's going to be a nice thing to get set up in a minute.
Green grease for the green bike.
Green grease for the green bike, right?
Which one goes on top, which one goes underneath? He's only gone and done it.
Hey Shorty, how do we want to route this one? Internally or externally?
External, I reckon.
I was thinking internal,
Okay.
because then we've got one of each.
Yeah, I can do it.
It's actually, so it'd only be one, because it doesn't come out the side, does it? So
Yeah. And then if we want to run a suspension bolt, we can just reroute it.
Yeah.
Externally, pop that in.
Cool.
Good for bike packing bags as well, wouldn't it? 'Cause the cables the other way.
Yeah, it saves having that extra cable out there, so.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Nobody needs a steer tube this long.
I get it.
And if they do, they need a different size bike.
That's what Sean
Well,
would
you
have
can
it.
buy one at the arkcycles.co.uk.
Nice. I'll pay you the £5 later.
Sweet.
What do you think of the colour?
I love this colour.
Yeah. It's so cool.
Reminds me of Shrek. Get out of that swamp.
So I like the way that instead of having like black here, they've gone for this like dark gloss green.
Yeah.
Like there. Like that could have been a black graphic. That would have been like more traditional. But they've gone for that gloss. That gloss green looks really good on all the details. It's a short stem, isn't it?
Tiny stem, but you don't need like a really long stem on this bike because it's got quite a long top tube. Don't try this at home, kids.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think we've got it, guys. I think this is how we're gonna ride bikes from now on.
Yeah.
Always loved when you get like a brand and they give you quite a cool top cap.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like these as well. These feel really luxury. So these are the pouches that go into the frame. So you get two different sizes.
What do they do?
So you can pop things in them. So
okay.
obviously with this, like the storage that they've started to inbuild.
Yeah.
So you basically got little wallets. So if you needed to carry stuff, so you could put CO2 cartridges in there.
Right.
Tidy it up.
Oh yeah. 100%.
You know. So then you've got this. You've got all your like stuff that you need on top.
Yeah.
Done. So this is what we call a chiro, mainly because of the shape.
Yeah.
This is basically going to live in the frame, and as you're riding over along all that rough stuff, it's basically going to sit in there. Your brake cable's going to sit in there, and then it's not going to rattle.
Is that something that most bike brands do, or not really?
Some bike brands do it, but we do it as a standard here. So any custom build gets chiros fitted regardless. Like,
oh, I see. Right. What does a carbon expander do?
I'm going to show you.
Okay. Please show. Should I be close?
You can be as close as you like, Archie.
Thanks.
This goes in like that.
Nice.
And then this expands outwards. And it acts as a starter.
Oh, I see.
Now the moment of truth.
Will anyone buy it?
Will anyone buy this bike? That is the real. Oh no! So really nicely, what they've done is they've sleeved this whole section.
Oh, okay. So it just comes straight out the top.
Straight out the top.
Do you think in the future that wireless brakes will come to market?
I think there's a safety concern there. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm forgetful as anything. So like, I go out on my bike and I'm like, cool, let's go out on my bike. I look at my lights. I've not charged them.
Yeah.
So then I'm on the turbo trainer.
People will just forget to charge them and crash. You could have a safety feature that like had it
Just locks your brakes on if you're
under 5% charge, just slams the brakes. Yeah, but then that could be dangerous because like you'd be pedaling down. I'm about to make it home, and then bam,
Your bike's locked completely, seized solid.
straight over the. Yeah, okay.
Now that's cool.
Ooh.
This is a Zip SPLR bar, so it's flared outwards. It's got these grooves for the cables to sit, so it sits super close into the bar. So when we bar tape this, you won't be able to see any of the cables at all. This is swish.
So what do I need to know about these bars?
Fucking cool. This is their XPLR range. So Zip and SRAM are owned by the same parent company.
Oh, okay.
So these have basically been designed with the complete idea of running this internal setup.
Okay.
So I think we made the right call.
Mr. Moo. Hello, Matt.
You big boy.
Good job.
So this tape is literally just there for like, just to hold the cable in until we bar tape it.
Right. Okay.
And then when we bar tape it, we'll take the bits off we don't need.
Great.
It's just to make sure it looks nice and clean, because the last thing I want to do is get all the way to the end and then realise that actually that's going to look crap. It's not what we're about on this build. This build is about, it's got to be the case.
It's very interpretive.
It's Feathers McGraw.
It's very interpretive.
It's Feathers McGraw.
Right, let's go.
Okay, gonna have to get rid of this bit now. Well, to think that I've been doing this 16 years.
Yeah, 16 years ago I was 5.
16 years ago, you were 5 and I started.
I was just leaving nursery when you were a mechanic.
Need to sit down. Where's my cane?
This is a cool looking tool.
Make sure that we get this pressed in as square as humanly possible.
Right.
So that as long as it's pressed in nice and square, your bearings are going to last nice. Going to last longer, should I say.
Mooey.
Oh, you got a shit bag. You didn't food.
Then fine.
Mooey. Nice, so we're going to bar tape this one?
Not going to bar tape this, so we've got a bike fit first for the customer, and then once we're all settled with the measurements and he's happy, Then we can bar tape it, and it's good to go.
Sick.
Have like